Hi everyone, Nick here. Today I'm going to show you how to create an exit intent pop-up on Wix Studio. You don't need a Wix app for this. We just need a bit of code. It's super easy and the link to the code is in the description. So let's take a look at how an exit intent pop-up works. So when the mouse leaves the visible area, this will appear. And then we can direct them wherever we want to go. And we can put it on whatever page we want. So it's not specific to the entire website. We can put it on specific pages too. And of course, you might use these types of exit intent for things like book a free 15-minute strategy call, a newsletter sign up, a promo code that they subscribe for and get 10% off sent to their email. Perhaps it's a downloadable. I think those work quite well. So whatever you want to use it for, whatever your goals and objectives are, you can do it with this, and you can create multiple around the site, which might just be logical for different pages that they're on. So let's take a look at how to do this. It's a quick tutorial. We're going to jump into our website. I'm going to turn off coding. Okay, so here's our homepage. We're going to firstly create the pop-up. So add elements, layout tools. I'm going to use a pre-designed one. Obviously, you can use the blank one and then add in what you want. If you do want to do a subscribe, then use this and then add in the subscribe form. We are just going to use this cute one here. Obviously, customize it, connect the links, whatever you're going to do. I'm going to use this to go to a sale page. And I mean, if you're looking to code, you know how to do these things, but I'm just going to do it for shits and giggles. Okay. So that's it. We don't need to do anything else with that, apart from switching off the trigger. So when we create this code, we want to be able to manage its own triggers ourselves. So you're going to come over here into set triggers and go to no. I'm also going to give this a different name. So we're going to say flash sale. Oop. I'm going to copy that for later. Okay. Then we're going to go to the pages that we want it to appear on. So we want it to appear on the home page. We're going to click Start Coding. And you're going to copy and paste this code. Here we have the prefetch of the Lightbox instructions. So basically, we want it to load fast. We don't have much time before they move their mouse from the display area to the tab to close the tab. If you don't have this prefetch, it will just load slower because it will start to load it as they're doing that action. So we are loading it when they're on the page loads, the Lightbox loads. So it's all ready to go. And this is the action of the actual Lightbox opening when their mouse moves off screen. So all we need to do is update the Lightbox name. So just in here, we're going to paste in our Lightbox name. Obviously, if you're creating several different Lightboxes for different types of pages, then you're going to create unique names and just use the same code on that page, but change the Lightbox name. Okay, so we have that. We're going to copy that. We're going to put it on the category page. Exactly the same thing. We're going to publish. And let's see how it looks. So this is our home page. It's already preloaded that Lightbox, so when my mouse moves off, it will appear and it will go to wherever I've directed it. We then have on the category page, we're running that same code. So it's loading it up as soon as it loads up the rest of the elements on this page. And there we go. So primarily, we don't need to use the Wix app pop in or anything like that. It's as easy as just that simple code. And we've got a really unique, quick loading exit intent call to action that is completely customizable and will hopefully give you some better customer retention and help you reach your website goals.